Your Samsung dishwasher might need a reset occasionally. The process is super simple, but before we describe it, a few pointers. 1. If your dishwasher is displaying error codes, make sure to write them down. This reset will erase the memory of the dishwasher, and error codes provide a clue as to what the problem might be, if any. You might choose to do this when you think the error is just a glitch and you want to see if it will occur again. Just make a record of the code first. 2. There is another reset that you can use when you simply have to reset the communication settings for the dishwasher, described below. This doesn't erase error codes. 3. If your dishwasher isn't responding at all, you can try a reset, but it is likely that it won't fix the problem. For example, a door that won't close completely will not be fixed by a reset. Reset the dishwasher. Disconnect power for 5 minutes by either unplugging the unit or switching the power off at the circuit breaker. Too good to be true, but that's it. Reset the wireless network settings. To reset the wireless communications, or what the manufacturer calls a network reset, only for dishwashers that have Wi-Fi features, hold smart control until AP shows on the display, hold high temp wash until the dishwasher makes a signal, should be no more than 10 seconds, turn the machine off. This will erase all network information on the machine. This is helpful if you have to change your router or Wi-Fi network password. Your owner's manual will guide you through setting it up again after the changes are complete. Related keyword: Samsung dishwasher LC code, Samsung dishwasher not draining, Samsung dishwasher heavy light blinking, Samsung dishwasher keeps draining, Samsung dishwasher will not power on, Samsung dishwasher normal light blinking, Samsung dishwasher not cleaning, Samsung dishwasher leaking.